Bonjour tout le monde, Jen here. Today I will be swatching and trying on the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink lipstick. I think these are the best drugstore matte lipstick on the market. So I just want to give you all what the shades are looking like. And the lipstick that will be needing a little bit of help, I will be using the Maybelline lip liner. This lip liner is in the shade 410. Everything I use today will be in the description down below. And let's start.
Tell me if it's cash you like. You be acting classy like you don't really want it. You know that I blast you right. You can get it right on sight. If you really wanna talk that shit, I'm rooting for your Malibu rum. 5 steps from the BJ, pouring up some shots, got me spinning like a DJ. If you keep me coming, I'll stay till the weekday. Now you wanna call now, trying to come on over to my home now. What you want, I don't know what I want now. Guess we doing more than having fun now. I've been feeling ways, I've been thinking you would feel the same. I've been looking for a better space, nah, nah. I don't even got a heart to break, nah, nah. I've been feeling ways, roll it up, smoke it like we ain't got time to waste. Promise I'm tryna put a smile up on your face. Remember how it felt when it was just a little taste? 'Cause I've been feeling ways. So what you mean right now? You've been making scenes right now. What you tryna tell me? Acting like a tease right now. You can get the D right now. Got a feeling that you want much more that I'm giving to you. Pull up to a spot, let's talk over sky views. Got some drinks at home, maybe after you can swing through. Since you're such a freak, I got something I could teach you. Now you wanna call now, trying to come on over to my home now. What you want, I don't know what I want now. Guess we doing more than having fun now. I've been feeling ways, I've been thinking you would feel the same. I've been looking for a better space, nah, nah. I don't even got a heart to break, nah, nah. I've been feeling ways, roll it up, smoke it like we ain't got time to waste. Promise I'm tryna put a smile up on your face. Remember how it felt when it was just a little taste? 'Cause I've been feeling ways.